Welcome to Slow English Lab, the channel that helps you speak clear, natural English step by step with no stress and no pressure. In this lesson, you'll practice 100 common English questions and answers, slowly and clearly. Repeat each line after me. Use shadowing. Speak with rhythm and emotion. These are real English conversations you can use at school, work, online, or when traveling. Subscribe now if you're ready to stop translating and start speaking naturally. Let's practice real questions and answers in English. Tip 1. Questions to start a conversation. Practice basic icebreaker questions. What's your name? My name is Sarah. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. What do you do? I'm a student. Do you like music? Yes, I love it. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Repeat after me. Say it with feeling. Imagine talking to someone new. Tip 2. Talking about your day. Learn questions for daily life. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. What do you eat for breakfast? I eat eggs and toast. How do you get to work? I take the bus. What time do you finish work? I finish at 5 p.m. What do you do at night? I relax and watch TV. Now shadow each line. Speak as if you're telling a friend about your day. Tip 3. Talking about likes and dislikes. Share what you enjoy or avoid. Do you like sports? Yes, I play football. What food do you like? I love pizza and pasta. Do you enjoy reading? Yes, I read every night. What music do you hate? I don't like heavy metal. Do you like cold weather? No, I prefer the sun. Repeat naturally. Use emotion. Practice giving short, confident answers. Tip 4. Shopping and money. Common questions in stores or markets. How much is this? It's $10. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. Do you have this in size medium? Yes, here you go. Where is the fitting room? It's over there. Can I get a receipt? Yes, here it is. Now shadow and imagine you are shopping in an English-speaking store. Tip 5. Talking about your family. Practice personal questions. Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. Are you married? No, I'm single. What does your father do? He's a mechanic. Where does your family live? They live in the city. Do you have children? No, I don't. Repeat slowly and clearly. Shadow with your full voice and smile. Tip 6. Talking about hobbies. Use English to describe what you love. What are your hobbies? I like drawing and swimming. Do you play an instrument? Yes, I play guitar. What do you do on weekends? I hang out with friends. Do you watch movies? Yes, I love action movies. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I try new recipes. Repeat and act like you're sharing with a friend. Use emotion and variety. Tip 7. Travel and transportation. Speak in real travel situations. Where do you want to travel? I want to visit Japan. How do you usually travel? By car or train? Do you like flying? Not really, it's scary. Where is the nearest station? It's 10 minutes away. Do you have your passport? Yes, here it is. Repeat with confidence. Travel English is essential. Shadow every line slowly. Tip 8. Talking about the weather. Everyday conversations everyone has. What's the weather like? It's sunny today. Do you like rain? No, I hate getting wet. Is it cold outside? Yes, bring a jacket. What season do you like? I like spring the best. Is it going to snow? Maybe tomorrow. Repeat slowly. Add rhythm. Talk like you're checking the weather with a friend. Tip 9. Ordering food and drinks. English for restaurants and cafes. Can I see the menu? Sure, here you go. I'd like a coffee, please. Small or large? Do you have vegetarian food? Yes, we do. What's the special today? Chicken curry. Can I have the bill, please? Yes, right away. Now shadow the dialogue. Imagine eating out and speaking naturally. Tip 10. Saying goodbye and ending a conversation. Finish conversations politely. It was nice talking to you. You too. I have to go now. Okay, take care. See you later. Bye. Have a nice day. Thanks, you too. Talk to you soon. Yes, definitely. Practice sounding natural and kind. Shadow each line with warmth. Conclusion. That's 100 real English questions and answers you can use every single day. Repeat this lesson many times to build fluency. Shadow it daily for best results. Don't forget to subscribe to Slow English Lab and leave a comment. Which tip did you find the most useful? Let's practice again tomorrow.